On a minister say, young friend and children and small. Where young against any she can't, none of us in November and create any bank.
Ebusan for aha Ghana Sem TV GH message like a comment subscribe and no notification also so that anytime I post a video be say no will sambet me akabe.
This young man hit me. Oh, no, no. We will show that. You have to understand it. That is what. My national commander, when I come, Mutaka, Minister says, Mama information. So this is the car that came for the business. And the young man, the driver, but one leader, on a minister say, young friend and children and small. Where young against any she can't, none of us in November and create any bank. Me go kind of power in is a bomb. Yeah. And the motion and some go see baller because at the Facebook live.
So we are proceeding to dance man. Yeah. We are proceeding to make more follow up to dance man.
Mimi Jimudi.
Yes.
So finally the Dasuma police is here. So Dasuma police. Dansoma police is here. Yes, sir. Evidence. Any your driving car by. So Dansoma operations are here. They are sent to come and do it. So this is a man who hit my chest for evidence sake. If it's your father is in trouble. So this is the car they brought. So they are going through Dansoman operations. All of them. They are the boys from National Security. And this is the tow truck. And that's the driver.
So I'm the hiring car.
He says the hiring car. So that's it. They are going. These are they. So that's it. Yeah. So this is what is happening to us. NDC government. The stupid boys are behaving just anyhow. Minister, wake up. Oh. All right, so these are the cars. These two government vehicles that have become motionless. Yes. And they claim that they need it. Yes.
And I told my auntie I've been watching you.
Oh, thank you. I'm coming. I'm live. I'm live, so let me finish. So these are the cars. They came here by the orders of the National Security to come and pick these cars. So this is what they came for. So unfortunately for them, they came at the wrong time. They came at the wrong time. They should come another time. So they said they are for national security, but according to my checks, nobody has sent them. This is the yard. Nobody has sent them. This is how serious the game is. The KORLE Bu management has a lot of directors. And with all the directors, nobody knows about this action. This could have been very, very bloody. We have to talk to the boys to reduce their impact. But one guy has courted an assault. So I want to report for medical checks. They've been here for more than 3 hours. And this is how far. So, okay, Daddy. It's painful, eh? It's very painful that we have people who want to destroy the government. Government in resetting Ghana has people like this who are part of it. They scattered work. Everything is basa in the yard. These two cars were parked and they brought it up here so we could be able to work on it. they said they would do. But there's a young man whose picture. Yes, sir. Albert, tell him. So there's a young man who is sitting in the car when I spoke. Came to beat me up. So can I please have the picture of my culprit?
Please text me so I can send it.
0277. I need it now.
If we hold on, I'm coming. 0277
609 644.
644.
So lucky now we brought the Dansoman operations according to what the minister said, and they have been carried out. We will follow the story till the end. The guy attempted fighting me. I refused to fight him. But these are the cars. These two cars. Whoever sent them, operation gone bad. That's the issue. Very, very important. They scattered everybody. Unfortunately for us, I didn't have the video for you. But the soldier who came on the ground is wearing sandals. His feet were open. And he's holding a gun, a rifle. I'll post the pictures and the video. This is to tell you that let's be vigilant, like the president has always said. We are resetting the country. The country is not for NDC members. The country is for all of us. And we will forever help His Excellency John Dramani Mahama to govern the nation. This is serious. They entered into a yard. This yard has a very big gate. Very, very bad. And when we attempted taking videos, they started fighting us. So at least we will follow the story to the
overhead me for you, Andy. Over Bala. If I'm talking at school. Oh, hey. Oh, sure. Shut. No. Believe oh. Abane for itu aun. Eneme tu aun. Aba have me ifo yendi. Ojo aye phone for yendi. Aba have me phone yendi. Obegbe. Oh, hey, Tim. Let. That guy be.